Move up, flanking right. Get the prisoner secured now. We're burning daylight. We got him, sir. The Pathfinder is secure. Transmitter's down. Scout needs a medic. Easy with him, men.
How's the scout, sir?
He'll make it. Get him inside.
Bring him over here, gently.
He's stable for now, but barely. We need to move fast.
You're safe now, mate. Just hold still.
I appreciate it. We got him then?
Hey, we got him. Get him aboard, gently now. We're heading home.
Is the target secured?
Yes, sir. Mission accomplished.
Suppressing fire! Move up the hill! He's hit bad. We need extraction now. Get him on the stretcher, quickly now.
Easy. Lift him up. We're moving out.
Move up the beach, keep it quiet.
Ah, I'm hit.
Hold on, I got you. Get moving. Keep moving, keep moving. Watch the wire.
All secure here, sir.
Easy now, we're clear of the beach. How far to the rendezvous? All right, move out. Keep it quiet. Get up to the dunes, let's go. What's the status on the target, Lieutenant?
Movement by the main bunker, sir. 2 hostiles spotted.
This is the primary target zone, just off the coast road.
And the rendezvous point.
Exactly. Move fast and stay low in the hedgerows.
We're approaching the coast. Stay alert.
Just hold tight, mate. We're almost there.
Move, move! Get to cover! I'm hit, sir.
I got you. Lean on me.
Keep steady, men. Remember the objective. Secure the Pathfinder and get to the hedgerows. Move silent. Go, go, go! Move up the beach! Keep moving!
Watch the wire! Move!
All right, keep it tight. Move to the rocks now. Watch the flanks, stay low. Keep moving, stay low. Watch the hedgerows.
Get that wire open!
Suppress that position.
Move! Move! Move!
Keep moving, watch the hedgerow. We're almost on the objective. Move! Move up, keep silent. The scout's hit. We need to secure the Pathfinder now. Keep it tight, move to the hedgerow. Scout, can you make it? All right, men, time to move. Get the raft ready.
Yes, sir. Watch the scout.
He's in here, grid 4, Baker 2. We move fast, secure him, and then we're gone.
All right, men, eyes sharp. We're close now. Move with caution. Keep their heads down. All right, let's go. I see the target. All teams, advance to the wire. Stay in the mist. Stay with me, just a little further. All right, hold up, keep sharp.
Checkpoint confirmed. The Pathfinder is inside.
We're moving, sir. Watch with the scout. Target acquired. Alpha team, move up slowly. Push up, keep low. Hang on, mate, you're doing fine. It hurts. All right, we move on my signal. Keep the scout covered.
Yes, sir.
The transmitter is here. We secure the Pathfinder and exfil by dawn. Any deviation, the mission is scrubbed. Understood.
They've spotted us. That's the signal. Move out, keep low.
Roger that! Moving now!
Move up, keep low. We're almost there, hang on.
Go!
Target confirmed. 2 patrols near the main gate. He's inside. Ready to move. Keep moving. Watch the wire. We're almost there. Steady now.
Achtung! Bleiben Sie wachsam. Die Sicherheit hat oberste Priorität.
Schnell! Get him up! Move, move, move! I got you, mate. Hang in there. Move, move!
Suppressing fire on the tower!
Stay low, we're advancing now. Keep moving.
Keep moving, we're almost there. I'm hit, but I can still move. Move! Get back to the boats! Go, go, go!
Clear the wire.
Firing now, now! Move, double time!
Hang on, we've almost got you to cover.
Move up! Get to the perimeter! Go! Move up! Keep that wire clear! I got him, sir. We're moving. Move up! Move up! Secure the target! He's hit bad. We need a medic over here. Move, move! Through the breach. Secure the transmitter. Get that scout clear now. Move to the harbor. Lay down suppressing fire. We're moving.
Here is the transmitter site. This is your objective. Bring him back alive, trooper.
Looks clear. Move up!
Hold. I say again, hold your position.
Move! Get the Pathfinder clear. Keep moving, they're right behind us. Keep moving, the boats are waiting. I've got him, sir. Almost there. Just a little further, hold on. Keep moving, stay sharp. All right, push up the beach. Get him clear of the water.
Covering the rear. Go, go, go! He's stable for now. We made it back. How's the Pathfinder doing?